Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and we just got done installing a Roadmaster Super Spring set on this Grand Design Reflection. But what I want to talk to you about was the Moor Ride Cross Braces. So this is the cross braces that we've installed. Now the cross braces come stock with a kit that keeps these guys flat. So that would put this more so up into this direction. That comes stock, but if you want to get the drop down version, here's the drop down version that's basically like an S, and that drop down is a separate kit. So when you purchase the main kit, you get the rails, you get all the bolts, and you get this standard hanger, which then again this bolts on to the actual leaf spring hanger itself. So if you're going to do a drop down and you need that for in case there's something in the way, or if you want to have access to the underbelly, you need this drop down. So I'll link them in the products below. Thanks so much for watching.